The respiratory system, the main parts and functions.
Through pulmonary ventilation, air is moved in and out of the lungs. Air enters through your nose or through the mouth. It then moves to your pharynx, which is subdivided into three parts, from superior to inferior. The nasopharynx serves only as an airway. The oropharynx passes both swallowed food and inhaled air. And the laryngopharynx is also a passageway for both food and air. Next, air passes into the larynx. The larynx is responsible for voice production, keeping the airway open, and it also directs the food and air into their proper channels.
The trachea ends by dividing into two main bronchi. The bronchioles are divided into three main subdivisions: the main bronchus, the lobar bronchus, and the segmental bronchus. The bronchioles are surrounded by the two bronchial arteries, which provides oxygenated systemic blood to the lung tissue. The bronchioles branch off into the alveoli, which are responsible for external respiration. This is when oxygen diffuses from the lungs to the blood and carbon dioxide diffuses from the blood to the lungs. The main function of the lungs is to house the respiratory passages. The lungs are divided into the three lobes: the superior lobe, middle lobe, and inferior lobe.
The pleural membrane is a two-ply membrane in the thoracic cavity that compartmentalizes the lungs and produces serous fluid to prevent friction. The two-ply membrane is composed of the parietal pleura and visceral pleura. The parietal pleura covers the thoracic walls and superior face of the diaphragm. The visceral pleura covers the external lung surface.